Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the uh, code reuse in OOPS. Basically, the OOPS means the object-oriented programming systems, and the OOPS is a methodology. And when we apply OOPS in some resource code, then that code will be reused and provide us to security. Basically, there are four main pillars of the OOPS. First one is the inheritance, second one is the polymorphism, then abstraction, and then encapsulation. These four pillars are divided into two parts. First one is the code reusability, and second one is the for code security. And the in the code reusability there are comes in inheritance and polymorphism. Basically, the inheritance means the child class acquires all the properties of parent class. In the properties, that means the variables and methods, that is etc. um, there are five types of inheritance in Java. First one is the single level inheritance. Second is the multi level inheritance. Third level is the hybrid inheritance. Fourth one is the multiple inheritance, and fifth one is the hierarchical inheritance. Basically, the class level inheritance, Java supported only three types of inheritance at the class level, and other two types of inheritance are supported by the inheritance. Then in the inheritance, single level inheritance and multi level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance are supported to the class level. The single level inheritance, it means the one child class acquires all the properties of the parent class. This is the single level inheritance. Then multi level inheritance. Multi level inheritance means one child class acquires the properties of parent class, and that parent class acquires all the properties of his parent class. Then we see as the when two or more child class are present in the inheritance, that types of inheritance are known as the multi-level inheritance. Then the hierarchical inheritance, when two or more child class acquires all the properties of the parent class, then that is called as the hierarchical inheritance. This is about the inheritance in Java. Then other concept of code reusability in OOPS is the polymorphism. Basically, polymorphism means that is many forms. For example, the real world example of polymorphism is the water. Basically, water has three states, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Then there are two types of polymorphism in Java. First one is the compile time polymorphism, and second one is the runtime polymorphism. Basically, compile time polymorphism is also known as static polymorphism, and runtime polymorphism is also known as dynamic polymorphism. Then we can achieve compile time polymorphism through the method overloading, and we can achieve runtime polymorphism through the method overriding. The method overloading means the two methods that have the same name and that are present in the same class, but the parameters of that two methods are the different. In the differential of the parameters, we can change the sequence of parameter, we can change the type of parameters, or we can change the number of parameters. This is about the method overloading in Java. Then the method overriding. Basically, method overriding acquires when two methods are present in different class that has the same name and that has the same type of arguments. This is about the method overriding. Thank you.